wait.
In like 5 seconds.
Oh, well then I'll hang out.
Another perspective. You can film if you want, and then we'll add it all in for one.
March for climate action. Wait, what are we saying?
How many people do you want at the march?
10,000.
Like 80 billion?
7 billion, man.
Let's congregate the whole earth.
How do you follow that up?
Why is this march important?
Well, sea level rise is an issue. You know, we're
It
trying
goes
to show.
past sea level rise, man. It's like a public health issue.
We're trying to show our political officials that we care. The Paris Climate Summit is coming up, and they don't do enough about it there. So, you know.
All right. So when we are talking about climate action, you guys are thinking about sea level rise and health issues.
Mm-hmm.
What about
and the lack of biodiversity, the health of
The overall well-being of our
Yeah.
Earth, you know, our
Fates
home.
of the human species.
Yeah.
I like that. The fate of the human species. What about just doing
It's all over the world in developed countries. We need to address the the overconsumption that we're participating in and these unsustainable ways that we need to educate ourselves pretty much. Everyone needs to educate themselves because we're ruining our
to people to ask them questions or something, and then they get like scared and like
well, if you run up to
stand
them.
off it.